Today we are taking a look at Traceable, a new cloud-native application security solution focused on API-driven applications and applications designed with microservices. In addition to distributed applications, Traceable is good at protecting diverse and hybrid infrastructure. The foundation of the technology are distributed tracing agents that allow Traceable to fully understand the application context from the edge to the backend. The data is then processed with machine learning and AI algorithm to deliver security insights, observability, and understanding of what the root cause of a problem might be. Traceable agents are installed directly in Kubernetes infrastructure with Envoy-powered sidecars, or RASP agents for Java, Go, Node.js applications are also available. With the data that are collected from the application, Traceable SaaS service is able to provide a unified management console and fully understand the security posture of the application, anomalies in the application, user and API behavior, and security threats that might need to be remediated or addressed. Let's take a look. Within the application, the Traceable is able to fully detect and show the application flow and all the microservices associated with the app. From the microservices on the edge that are initially accessed by the customers, all the way to the backends and databases. For each of the APIs that is implemented, Traceable detects the endpoint that the developers have implemented. And within that endpoint, you're able to see not just the performance data for the application, but also a full API specification. And for each parameter within the API body, we understand not just the key for that parameter, but also the data itself, what are the normal ranges, what is the type of the data, and whether sensitive data are present. Thus you can have the visibility into what is actually on the wire and how things have been implemented. First thing you see when you log into the Traceable dashboard is a complete view and understanding of the security posture of the application, from how many attacks per second the application is experiencing, to assets at risk, active threats, calls per minute, and so on. And then you can understand what is the applications and APIs that might need the most attention, looking at the endpoints either by the most active ones or perhaps selecting endpoints with the most suspicious requests in the system. And same things available for services as well. And then for security pros, we are not just displaying individual security events. We are actually looking at attackers identified by an ID and seeing a complete list of activities that is what is making this attack to have a high security rating. Perhaps this is representing an attack pattern. Then if the sequence of attacks, including things like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, or emergent threats like authorization bypass, appears to be serious and problematic in your system, right here you can protect your system from this malicious actor by suspending him and disallowing him any privileges on the system. And of course, once that threat is detected, you can also collaborate with your developers' counterparts and look at individual spans where a problem might have occurred, whether it was a security problem or an internal error like this, where complete details are provided for where the problem has occurred, what was the response, the attribute, and the raw value within that environment.